Moses, what are you doing now? You messing with a mouse or something?
So this is a car that I bought for a family friend. They're looking for this exact car. I got it at the auction. Probably paid a little more than it's worth. But they're looking for a Honda Pilot this year model.
When you saw it, did you say, I got to buy it?
I got to have it. I got to buy it. Yes, exactly what happened.
I knew it.
So the only bad part about this, besides the bald tires, the lack of service on the transmission, the timing chain that had never been replaced, was the fact that it had this dent here in the quarter. So my main man Dom is here to remedy that. Dom, I said quarter. I was wrong, wasn't I? It's a fender.
Once again, front fender.
Front fender. Okay.
Front fender.
Okay. Rear
Quarter.
Bibbidi bobbidi.
Boppity bippity. Pressure leak.
A little bit. Right. That's the deer right there.
Sounds like books.
Look me a lady.
Well, that was definitely lucky.
Thanks, didn't want to take her home. All right, Meg, you might pay for this. I don't have any cash. Sure, I'll just put it on my credit card. I'm never gonna
Karen.
pay it back anyway. $30,000.
Have you heard the song?
No.
What you need? All right, backstage. Here's the key to my hotel room. You can flush the top line in there.
That's his favorite song, the credit card debt song. So enthused.
That's right.
Shit, you're finished. I don't mind.
Take it easy now.
All right, let me write you a check. I'm out of here.
That'll be $500.
There's that scratch. Crease is gone. Body line is good. There's your scratch. Oh, another wonderful job from East Coast Dent Works and JDS Auto Group.
It's really JDS. I don't take any credit for this.
Yeah, Dominetti and yeah.
Jesus does this sweet.
Indeed, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, Dom. Looks great.
Yep.
Not the clearest light in the world. Let's see what we can do. How do we make this better? You make it better? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Do I need to get you something?
No, we're gonna give it a wet sanding. 2,000. That's all you need.
I've only got about 100 on me.
Ooh. It's amazing to me how the lights on these things get so screwed up.
Well, it's plastic, and you got to think if you got hot plastic and stuff running off the road at 70 and 80 miles an hour. Geez, it's amazing just how much that makes it look better. It's the one we're working on. Not quite complete. This is the one we haven't touched yet. Big difference.
Joe Biden and a bunch of Joe Bidens were all over there doing nothing.
How do you feel about your headlight, Dom? It's a 10! It's a freaking 10! Finished?
Untouched.
There we go.
Satisfaction, right?
Satisfaction.
Satisfaction. It's like
Guaranteed.
unmasking a car after you paint it.
All right. What a difference. Unbelievable.
It's crazy what happens to headlights.
That's awesome.
See, that's not dust on there. You know what I'm saying?
It's not dust. Everybody, that's the secret ingredient. Polar seltzer. That's what
Polar
makes,
seltzer,
that's what
friend.
makes it all happen. The difference in clean headlights will make right there. Unbelievable.